Satu. Kenapa kamu ya, Pak?
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the second group. My name is Fitri Handayani.
My name is Mukhlis Alasudi. My name is Tadiuni. My name is Mira.
We are going to make fried rice.
Onion, garlic, celery, big chili, shrimp, chicken, oil, salt, meatball and sauce. Fry onion, eggs, soy sauce, chili sauce, pepper, sajiku, and rice. The tools is spatula, and stove, mortar, spoon, knife, and plate.
Is prepare to move. Turn on the stove. Add some oil and wait until it's hot.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to I'm on my way to believing. Oh, and I'm on my way to believing.
And sajiku. Stir until all the ingredients until change color.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the
After that,
wind.
Add meatball.
He broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget.
After all the
And that
ingredients.
was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling,
Leave
you
the rest in the
are
mixing spoon.
the only exception. You are the only exception.
Add some fried onion.
You are the only exception.
And chicken.
You are the only exception.
Nasi goreng is ready to eat.
Lagi deh, aslinya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the second group. We are going to make fried rice.
And is
Oke, satu. Ih, kenapa kamu ya berhenti nyale?